Hello again, everybody. Speaking about Toyota Camrys, and we're talking about fuel pumps, how a fuel pump works for Toyota Camry. This is actually, again, 2015, continuing about modern computerized cars. The discussion is also fuel pumps, but also, unfortunately, there's been a major recall for Toyota Camry owners, Lexus owners, and I wrote down the dates. 2018, 2019, Lexus. The models are LS, LC, RC, GS. Lexus and the Toyota Camrys for a fuel pump problem. It couldn't get worse than that. So obviously, a fuel pump problem is a major defect. You can stall on the highway when you're driving. Remember, the fuel pump pumps the fuel in the line to go to the fuel injectors, obviously to give fuel in the cylinders to get compression, to get the engine obviously cranking. Well, you can live without a radio, you can live without air conditioning, but you can't live without a fuel pump stopping in the middle of your driving on the highway or wherever you are. It continues to the other models. About 700,000 cars have been recalled. I guess you'll get a letter in the mail. But like I said, it's a major setback. The Forerunners, the Highlander, the Sienna, Tacoma, Avalon, Corolla, Tundra, among others also. So like I said, there's been a recall maybe in March. They'll send out the letters. But obviously, that's something that has to be done for priority. Like I said, you can't be driving with no fuel pump that stalls in the middle of a way. Anyway, unfortunately, if you remember years ago, they had a braking problem where the brake didn't stop. They improved their product very well, obviously, for the new Toyota Camrys. However, there's always recalls. Just like a Crown Victoria that I have a recall for LCM, which is the lighting control module. Where have they been for the last 15, 20 years? Now that they put a recall, it's been out for at least 20 years, that model. Where have they been all along? Anyway, following the schematic over here, this is the fuel pump, which is obviously in the fuel tank. One goes to ground, this is where it's located, and one over here. The other side, if you go blue, if you continue one, means you have to find the other one on the other page, which is one over here, the blue. Goes over here, goes to the contacts. When this is closed and makes the contact, if you follow it, it goes all the way to another fuse, another relay, which goes to a fuse. So the fuse goes like this into one relay, another relay, and back to the fuel pump. So obviously it's not the relays, the issues, or the fuses, or whatever, or the units, or the models. They think it's a fuel pump. Like I said, major problem. So don't put that aside. Once you get the letter, take care of it right away. Nobody in the world can be driving with a bad fuel pump that might give out in any minute. That's terrible. But anyway, like we said, Toyota Camry is the most popular car in the world. It's a great car, but all makes and models have recalls, unfortunately. So anyway, please subscribe to my channel, Automotive Electronic Schematics by Joseph, and the other one, Joe Electronic Schematics from Auto. And you'll see many videos, and hopefully we'll hear better news, hopefully, from these car makers. Thanks for watching.